This accident took place yesterday afternoon around 2 o'clock close to Gorikund while this chopper was returning from Kadrinath, and there were actually 3 helicopters. One was in the lead by about 10 minutes ahead, and there was one which was following about 10 minutes behind. So it's not that he was operating alone in that area, he was actually together, 3 aircraft. And when this happened, we sent a team sometime in the evening to slither down certain Garud forces, commandos, 7 of them, and they have reported to us that there are no survivors in this group. There were 20 people on board, 5 from the Air Force as part of the crew. There were 9 from the NDRF and 6 from the ITBP, totaling a total of 20. Well, all that I would say is that in the mountains, especially during the monsoon weather is always an issue. But at this point of time, we are not quite sure whether it was the weather or was there any technical problem. Fortunately, we have recovered the cockpit voice recorder, we have recovered the flight data recorder, and I think in a few days' time we'll get to know absolutely as to what exactly has happened. So I think it will be a little premature for me to comment on that part. Weather is something, like I said, in the monsoons you have to deal with. It's not going to go away. Fortunately, we are going to get some windows as we have today, and maybe in the next couple of days as the weather continues to improve. But when you're talking about the pushing the envelope,
yes,
you know, when you're doing rescue missions, when you have to pick up survivors, please remember the operational risk factor is always considered very, very closely. So, as compared to the mission that you have to accomplish, and it's reviewed almost on a daily mission basis. It is not on a standalone basis. So our crews are absolutely highly qualified. They're very capable of doing this. In fact, there are a number of times they have returned because they could not get through because of weather. So we leave the decision to them. They're highly trained and motivated, and we'll make sure that the job will be done.